Before installing the equipment, it is necessary to remove these accessories. Connect the welding machine. Connect the device on the other end of the socket. Turn on the argon gas switch. Check if the air pressure is normal. Connect the ground wire clamp. Open the side cover of the wire feeder. Release these two levers. Install welding wire. Thread the welding wire through the conduit. Loosen the fixing screw. Connect the wire feeding catheter. Continuously feed welding wire into the guide tube until the other end of the wire is exposed. Tighten the screws to secure the guide tube. Pull up to levers. Close the side cover of the wire feeder. Remove the welding gun from the fixed position. Remove the installation tools in sequence. 2 wrenches. Hexagon wrench. Guide wire tube. Guide wire nozzle. Remove the screws and washers. Insert into a fixed position. Secure with screws and washers. Install guide wire tube. Install wire copper nozzle. After adjusting the position, fix the screw. Turn on the engine after inserting the start key. Adjust the parameters of the control interface. Put the goggles on. Congratulations, you can do it now.